Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. जो आज का हमारा जो लेक्चर है, जो आज हमारा वीडियो लेक्चर है, ये थोड़ा सा इन डेप्थ नहीं होगा, बट एक वे आउट होगा फॉर द जो भी स्टूडेंट्स अभी किसी भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, वेदर फॉर एनी एग्ज़ाम और जो भी हमारे स्टेट लेवल के होते हैं एग्ज़ाम, इट कैन बी वेरी मच बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम होल प्रोसेस. जो डिस्कस हम करने जा रहे हैं आज वो है दैट इज़ हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शंस. इधर जो आज के जो वीडियो का जो मेन मकसद है वो है दैट हाउ यू विल रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स, व्हाट कम्स अंडर व्हाट, कौन सा चीज़ किस हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन के तहत आता है. एक सिंपल सा वे आउट मैंने इसमें देखा ताकि हर एक स्टूडेंट्स आराम से इसको रिमेंबर करें. थोड़ा सा हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज़ दिस हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन. आपके लिए मैं बताता चलूँ, जब भी कोई भी फॉरेन मटेरियल या फॉरेन बॉडी हमारे बॉडी में आ जाती है, दैट टाइम आवर बॉडी रिएक्ट्स. जो हमारी बॉडी होती है वो इसके खिलाफ कोई एक्शन लेती है, और इट इज़ एवरी टाइम, हर एक टाइम पे जो भी फॉरेन मटेरियल बॉडी रिकॉग्नाइज करेगी, दैट टाइम इट इज़ done by the body that some type of reaction is done against that foreign material. And same is the case here with the hypersensitivity reaction. The reaction is normal, keep it in your mind. जो भी reaction body करती है against some foreign material or foreign substance, that is totally normal. But sometimes this happens hyper, that means at a increased level. हाइपर हो रहा है, ज़्यादा हो रहा है, सेंसिटिविटी तो होनी है, दैट द रिएक्शन स्टिमुलस अगेंस्ट एनी स्टिमुलस रिएक्शन तो होनी है, बट हाइपर लेवल पे हो रही है, ज़्यादा हो रही है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द स्टेट ऑफ altered reactivity. Means there is not a reaction which is not normal, it is above normal. State of altered reactivity, body react करती है, altered level पे करती है, in which body reacts with an exaggerated immune response. यहाँ पर important है चीज़ है that is exaggerated, related to hypersensitivity reaction, that is exaggerated. Means जो body respond करती है तो एक increased level पे कर रही है, जो नॉर्मल लेवल है उससे कहीं गुना ज़्यादा कर रही है. बॉडी रेस्पॉन्ड कर रही है जो रेस्पॉन्ड करना था, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही है. इम्यून रेस्पॉन्ड वाया द इम्यून सिस्टम जनरेट कर रही है, विच इज़ परसीव्ड एज ए फॉरेन सब्सटेंस. जो भी फॉरेन सब्सटेंस बॉडी परसीव करती है, अगेंस्ट दैट ये जो इम्यून सिस्टम हमारा है रिएक्शन दिखा रहा है, लेकिन एट एन एग्जॉजरेटेड लेवल, मीन्स नॉर्मल से बहुत ज़्यादा लेवल पे कर रहा है. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट हाउ मेनी टाइप्स आर देयर ऑफ द हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन. आपके लिए एक सिंपल सा निमोनिक डिवाइस हुआ है, दैट इज वी कैन रिमेंबर इट विद द निमोनिक ऑफ एसिड. ACID means if we have to remember the types of hypersensitivity reactions, that are simply we can remember by the mnemonic acid, ACID. जो भी इसमें रेड कलर से मार्क्ड वर्ड्स है, these are simply the mnemonics. Acid, first type is A, that is anaphylaxis. First one type is anaphylaxis. We will not discuss the whole process here now, but only we will discuss how we will remember these reactions and what examples are under what type of reaction. Simply हम यहाँ पर ये remember करने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो पहला जो निमोनिक है, to remember the types of hypersensitivity reaction that are 4 in number. जो total है hypersensitivity reaction 4 है. And these 4 can be remembered with the mnemonic that is acid. One is first is anaphylaxis, A, cytotoxic, C, I is immune complex mediated, immune complex mediated, that is I, and last one is D, fourth one is D, that is delayed type hypersensitivity reaction. This is the way to remember the first the types of hypersensitivity reaction. Means we are now अब हमें पता चला कि कैसे हम इन टाइप्स 4 टाइप्स को रिमेंबर करेंगे विद द निमोनिक ऑफ एसिड. And now is this first type of how we will see what type of जो एग्जाम्पल्स है टाइप 1 के एनाफिलैक्सिस के जो एग्जाम्पल्स है वो क्या है, हाउ कैन वी रिमेंबर दैट. सो द टाइप फर्स्ट रिएक्शन hypersensitivity reactions can be remembered with the mnemonic of AAA, or we can here say this can be written as A cube. Means that A is 3 times. When this A is 3 times, that means A. 3 times A means one is atopy is a reaction, allergy, you know what is allergy, and asthma. These are the three examples of type 1 hypersensitivity reaction, that is anaphylaxis. Most times question जो भी competitive exams में आता है, that is asthma comes under what type of hypersensitivity reaction. That time you must be knowing that it comes under type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. You will remember it by triple A, means AQ, means AAA, atopy, allergy, and asthma. Now is the second type of hypersensitivity reaction, that is cytotoxic. Here something occurs with the cells, means cells, there is cell damage, there is toxicity in the cells, and that type of reaction, type second, is called as cytotoxic reaction. And how we will remember the examples of type second hypersensitivity reaction? Simply we have to keep in mind that हमें याद रखना है here, my blood group is RH positive. When you will remember the first words of every first alphabet of every word will denote the examples of the type second reaction. That is, my blood group is RH positive. My, the first word M, that is myasthenia gravis, first example of type 2 reaction, sorry. And second one is blood, that is blood transfusion reactions. Most of the time is asked in the competitive exams, that is under what type of reaction blood transfusion reactions come. That is type 2 hypersensitivity reaction, known as the cytotoxic reaction. And third one example is my blood group. Now is the G. G is simply good posture syndrome or Graves disease. यहाँ पर G denote करते हैं two. एक तो good posture syndrome and second one is Graves disease. You know what is Graves disease. And then it is my blood group is, IS means insulin resistant diabetes. You know that also. I means insulin resistant diabetes. Now is RH. R means RH factor. जो हमें पता है, some blood groups are RH positive, some are negative, and on that we can have a example, that is rheumatic fever. Rheumatic fever you also know. ये जो important चीज़ है, ये students को known है, लेकिन ये these are simply the ways how we will remember these. Now RH is rheumatic fever. Positive. Positive is pernicious anemia. You will remember it. My blood group is RH positive. M means myasthenia gravis. B means blood transfusion reaction. Group is good posture syndrome. I is insulin. R is rheumatic. Positive is pernicious anemia. एक और इसमें आता है, that is hyper acute graft reaction. ये इस type 2 reaction में ही आता है. Now अब जो है, first भी हमने example में देखा कि how we will remember the type of hypersensitivity reaction. Second is how we will remember type 1 examples, type 2 examples, and now is the type 3 example, that is immune complex mediated hypersensitivity reaction. That is, this is the way to remember these the examples of type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. That is SHARP, 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 SHARP. By this we can remember the examples of type 3 hypersensitivity reaction, known as the immune complex hypersensitivity reaction. First one is SHARP. S means serum sickness or Schick's test. Important is here that most of the time Schick's test come under which type of hypersensitivity reaction. It is being asked in the competitive exams, that is in which type of reaction Schick's test come. That is third hypersensitivity reaction, immune complex reaction. Then is Hanox purpura. Simply we can say this is to H, Hanox purpura or Sinolin purpura. Or third one is Orthus reaction, here SHA. Now it is R, reactive arthritis, or P is polyarthritis nodosa. This is the simple way to remember the type 3 hypersensitivity reaction by the mnemonic. That is SHARP, serum sickness, Schick's test, Hanox purpura, Arthur's reaction, reactive arthritis, polyarthritis nodosa. And the last one is, that is here we have to remember the important ones. Here not a well divided mnemonic is here for the type 4th reaction, but I will tell you which among the following is most important and most times asked in the competitive exams. You will see in various previous papers of different exams, tuberculin reaction test is asked frequently. In under what type of hypersensitivity reaction, tuberculin reaction comes, that is type 4 hypersensitivity, means delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction. Another one is lepromic test. Lepromin test, it also comes under type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. This is also asked frequently. Chronic graft reaction, जो हम graft करते हैं in the plastic surgery side, उसमें जो reactions होती है, that come under fourth type of hypersensitivity reaction known as the delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction. Now and then it is temporal arthritis. Another example, Crohn's disease. Keep it in your mind forever that Crohn's disease also come under this one, that is type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. Rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis and contact dermatitis. आपके लिए मैं एक important चीज बताऊंगा. How will you remember these examples of type 4 reaction? If you are knowing perfectly the type 2, type 3 reactions by very well remembrance power, आपको ये पता है that I am having a good hold on these because I am here with the mnemonics. आपको मैं simple divisor mnemonics बता रहा हूँ. Acid you know, AAA you know, my blood group is RH positive, you know these things, sharp you know. अब अगर आप कभी भी एग्जाम में फंस जाते हो that अगर इनमें से कोई आया होगा और आपको पूरा रिमेंबर नहीं है कि ये किस में से आएगी, then that time you can go for a 50-50 chance here. आपको अगर ये पता है तो आप उन इनमें से देखोगे कि मे बी अगर इनमें कोई फिट नहीं हो रहा है टाइप 4 में. दिस इज द वे टू रिमेंबर दीज एग्जांपल्स. अगर आपको इनमें से फिट नहीं हो रहा है देन समटाइम्स अगर आपको नेगेटिव के चांसेस नहीं है, दैट टाइम यू कैन गो फॉर द टाइप 4 रिएक्शन. बट इट इज बेटर to remember these important, that is tuberculin reaction, chronic graft reaction, and it is Crohn's disease, multiple sclerosis. Rheumatoid arthritis can be asked क्योंकि एक important disease है अभी जो prevailing है conditions में, that these things can be remembered by these mnemonics. And the whole class was based on this thing, that how you will remember. It's not an in-depth class here, but यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ दिया जाता था for your competitive exams, how will you remember these whole process. आपके लिए ये सारा completed. It is almost 95% done. That these reactions come under these. अब कोई example होगी जो यहाँ पर available नहीं होगी, but that are rare examples and asked not more frequently in the different exams. यहाँ पर ये हमने देखा, first we see what is hypersensitivity reaction, and after that we have given us a little bit a simple definition about the hypersensitivity reaction, and then the mnemonics which I have devised for you, that is different mnemonics to remember different things and reactions. So it was all about this topic to remember these things. And now important request for you is that if you want to get in your future this type of knowledge, please subscribe my channel with the name of Kashmir Nursing Academy and also press the bell icon. Thank you.